What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, and if you remember from my last update, we were talking about this potential shooting star that's about to form. We got until the end of tonight to sort this out, to get above the 55 EMA, but you can see 12 and the 20 bearish cross once we actually lost the 55, which was still safe until you lost this low over here, 39k, with this bearish engulfing. Now you did have a bullish pattern at key support, and then that's what's brought us back above this. So this is bullish, but now you got a shooting star, which is so negative. You got a lower high with the body candle closes. Yes, you got a higher high with the wicks, but lower high with the body candle closes. So I'm more focused on that, because all the wick is saying is that you were up here, but you failed to close up here. You got up here, but you didn't like the price up here, and then you push price, we're pushing price back down below it. So it's basically saying that I was there and I don't like being there. So you're failing to break above this previous high, and so we should actually continue to roll over. What can stop us rolling over is this support. So this, if you look in the past here, these two here, you can see what happened after. So, and especially just wicks to the top in general. So you got wicks to the top here. It's never good, especially at resistance. And we know these EMAs act as resistance as well. So we're below resistance, we're under it, we're using it as resistance with wicks to the top. It wants to drop, and yeah, of course, a shooting star. The only thing I could potentially say that would stop us from actually going lower, maybe hitting these 28, 30k targets. Remember, we do have that head and shoulders patterns technical target. Let me get it. Yeah, at 26k, and you can see we are respecting that the head and shoulders neckline as resistance, previous support as resistance now. So that's why we need to obviously zoom in and look at what's really going on. So let's go take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we're still holding that 12 EMA, but we haven't got that 20 EMA, daily EMA retest. So personally, I would wait for that. This does not mean that we can't just pump today. We can pump today, but I would expect that if you were to close below this with a pump, so if we did pump and we close below this on the daily time frame, I'd expect us to still roll over. Look here, you've just had like a one push to the downside. You need to come up before continuation, A, B, C. So that's why I believe it's not done, because you just had a little move to the downside. I think that we needed like an A, B, C correction. So you've just lost this M patterns low over here, so I can give you targets to the downside over here. So your 1618 is about 40k, back at this previous swing low over here, and this target over here. So I will put that line on the chart right now. Yeah, just like that. So around 41k. So that's your 1618 target. What I have been noticing over the past few weeks, since we lost, I think it was 39k. Yeah, when we came down here, we only met the 1.272, although the 1618 is your technical target. And not on Bitcoin, but on other altcoins, I'm getting people saying, Louis, you said this, it never met this target, I was waiting on this target. Well, this is the thing with trading, things can get invalidated, and I say this in almost every single video. When you lose this 1 point here, when you lose this low, your target is the 1618. But does that mean every single time the target will be met? Absolutely not. Does not mean with 100. Nothing here is 100%. If you're here for guarantees, you shouldn't be here whatsoever. Nothing here is guaranteed whatsoever. So when you lose this low, most of the time it should, listen, it should, doesn't mean it will, but it should go to the 1618 target. But what I have been noticing since losing this 39k area, even on the smaller time frames as well, that a lot of the time we are just coming to the 1.272 and getting back above the 1. So even though this is your target, it does not mean we are going there. That's why we need to move stop losses if you're in trades, or yeah, wait for confirmation basically. So your target is down here. How do we invalidate this target basically? So from the 1.272 or the 1414, you could come into it, bounce, and if you can get above the 1 and confirm that support and just keep staying above this as support, you will not go to this target. It's as simple as that. So F the haters, because they clearly don't understand TA. thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Please like, subscribe, comment to the lovers of the channel. But yeah, this is what I'm trying to get into people's heads, that nothing here is a guarantee. And if you're looking for guarantees in this market, go get a 9 to 5, because you guarantee your money there. You just turn up and you get your money. But if you're looking for guarantees in trading, you just won't get that. Although this is your target, it does not mean it will be met. We can right now have bottomed out right here at the 1.272. How do we know it's bottomed out? Get above the 1 at 42.6k, start heading back up, reclaim this 0.618, and then we should be off. But until then, I am expecting a further dump as long as we are below the 1. So if we get above it, we invalidate the 1.618. If we stay above it, then if we stay below this, then we're going to continue to the 1.618. Just like when you come to the 1.618, what should happen from here is you should get back above the 1 and continue up. But if you fail to get above the 1, then you'll continue down. You see, trading's all about validations and invalidations. So all I'm saying is what I'm seeing at that moment in time. So if anything changes, like today, I'm saying we're going to the 1.618. If tomorrow we're above the 1, I'm going to say tomorrow we're not going to the 1.618. But until you get above this 1, I'm going to say we're going to the 1.618. Even if we are going up, even if we're currently going up, we're still below it. So I'm going to still say that even if we are going up. So you have to understand that until you break above the 1, we're going to the 1.618. So that's why you need to think like that. If this happens, this happens. If this happens, this happens. That's it. That's how you trade. That's how you trade. So looking at this support here, this swing low, all the way up to this swing high, we can say that obviously we've topped out because we're forming some double top, and we started dropping and losing this low, performing lower lows and lower highs. So we're starting to retrace. So if I just get rid of, actually no, ignore that for the moment. Let's just look at these higher levels. Your magnet, your golden pocket here is at 38.8 to 37.3k. So this is the area that I would expect Bitcoin to get pulled towards, attracted to. Now, just because it's the most retraceable area does not guarantee we're coming to that. Again, nothing here is 100%. We could just come down to the 382 at 40k and just continue to fly up. That might make sense because that's lining up with your 1.618 technical target. So yes, you should come down lower to the 0.50 to the 0.618, but it doesn't mean that you will just because you should, because there's no guarantees in the market. Now, if you do come down and lose 37.3k, we would be creating that reversal wave to the 1 at about 33,000. From here, we can perform some large double bottom, something we've been saying on the channel for a good while now, if this head and shoulders did not play out. So double bottoms can have equal lows, lower lows, or higher lows like that. So there's 3 double bottoms. So any of those could happen here. We could just come to the 618, go up, that would be the higher low one. We could come down to the 1, that'd be the equal bottom. Or we could have a little fake out to the 1.272, come back up above the 1 and go up. So this is what I'm personally looking out for. I am anticipating that one of these will hold, but we need to get ready. If this doesn't hold, this will happen. So if we lose the 618, we come to the 1. If we hold, this will happen. This will go up. If we don't hold it, this will happen, which is we'll go down. And your target would be the 1.618 at 26,800. But of course, you might not meet that target. Just because it's your technical target doesn't mean you'll meet it. You can come to the 1.272, get above the 1 and go up. You can come to the 1.414, get above the 1 and go up. But your target is the 1.618. So even if you come below the 1, you validated the 1.618. And let's say we get a bounce here and we start coming up. I still have to tell you guys, we're going to the 1.618, we're going to the 1.618, we're going to the 1.618, even though it's going up. Why? Because you're still below the 1. But if you got above it and held it as support, we're not going to the 1.618. If you got above it and you're just above it, for that moment, we have to say we're not going to the 1.618. Then if you come back below, back test it as resistance, you validated the 1.618 target again. Because trading is all about validations and invalidations. If this happens, then this happens. If that happens, then that happens. So I hope that was very clear for you guys. You can see this 1.618 target is also lining up nicely, I think, with the technical target out of the the head and shoulders pattern. I'll just double check that with you. So swing low to that swing high. Yeah, oh my gosh, exactly in line. So we got two reasons acting, two things acting as confluence. So the head and shoulders technical target 26k, as well as if you lose this low down here at 32.9, we'll come into 26k, 26.8 or 26.9. /27k. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and grow the channel to 2k subscribers by the end of this month, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.